Hi there, do you want to stop all incoming calls on your phone without blocking? How to block incoming calls swiftly and easily. So without wasting time, let's get started. How can do it? Generally we can use airplane mode to restrict all incoming calls, but it also disables the mobile data. So if you want to disable incoming calls with activate mobile data, then follow my steps. First, go to phone settings on your Android phone. Then search by call settings or go to call settings manually. Now click on call forwarding option. It take few times for reading. Now click on always forward, and here enter a fake phone number that does not exist. After entering the fake number, tap on turn on option. It also takes few times for processing. And this will stop all incoming calls to your number and you can use mobile data without any problem. So this is how you can stop all incoming calls without airplane mode. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notification icon to get more update video.